So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Roots. So in this video I wanted to show you guys how to make the turmeric face mask. So it's so popular all over Facebook, all over YouTube, and I thought I'll show you guys how I've been clearing my skin lately. And I had a lot of dark spots, and I've been using this plus the soaps that I make as well, so I'll talk about that later in the video. So in this video we're going to use just turmeric and lemon. I know there are other recipes out there, but this is what I use and I wanted to share with you guys so that we can get that skin glowing. So let's jump right into the video. But if you're new to my channel, remember to first subscribe and press the notification button. So the reason I'm also wearing these gloves is because I am going to be touching turmeric. So make sure you're wearing clothes that are not, don't wear your favorite clothes, okay? Wear clothes that are comfortable, because if you do use this face mask, then it's going to get on your clothes. It does stain. So make sure you wear gloves, because if you're actually also using your own hands, the turmeric will be on your nails. So just to let you know. So we're going to get right started into the video, and I'll show you how to make the face mask first. Alright, so I'm using turmeric powder, which I got in an Indian shop here. And if you have any turmeric, I'm using 1 tablespoon. It's only going to be 1 tablespoon that we need. And turmeric has a lot of potential benefits, which is like for glowing skin, boosting healing, and also helps acne scarring, so it clears that. So I'm going to squeeze out 1/2 of 1 lemon, and the reason we're using lemon because it has citrus ingredients, and these work well with spots and acne scars, and this will help lighten those dark spots. Remember that you have to use only this at night, as I mentioned before. So just to let you know why I'm using these ingredients. So we're going to try and get the pasty look, because this is a bit too dry. So feel free to use the other half of the lemon, and we'll squeeze that right in, and then I'll show you the kind of texture that we're looking for. So I like mine this kind of pasty, and we're ready to apply as soon as you get this kind of texture. Alright, so this is what I have here. We have the turmeric, and this can last me a bit if I keep it in the fridge. You don't have to use this every day. You can use it twice a week. That's actually okay if you're trying to clear your black spots, your dark spots, whatever it is. So I just wanted to tell you guys that I had black spots coming up this side, and they've been clearing slowly. Don't mind my scarf. So now I can actually notice the difference in my skin, you know. So I've washed my face. I never put any moisturizer because I wanted to show you guys how I use this face mask, and I had dark spots and they've been clearing lately. So I wanted to show you guys how we can do this skincare routine. So I'm using just an old makeup brush. You can use any brush that you want. I find that it's easier to use for application, and we're gonna get started. So, oh, it feels so cold. Oh my gosh. So the fact that we've added lemon, I am going to advise that you use, oh, it's already getting messy guys. I told you. The fact that I'm using lemon, I always use this at night, because you don't want to have that exposure to the sun. The lemon is the ingredient that helps us clear those dark tones, and turmeric already is an ingredient that has been great for the skin. I had all the information on why turmeric is important on in skincare, or the soaps that I made. So I'll show you the soaps that I have. And if you haven't seen that video, remember to check it out. I'll put link to that video here above so that you guys can watch it. So okay, one thing I wanted to say is that if this is your first time, the turmeric does kind of sting. All right, it will sting at first, so don't think that there's anything wrong. And just make sure you cover just the important parts. So guys, I'm out here on this channel to share you guys all the information that we need, natural ingredients actually, that we have to get our skin glowing, our hair growing. So if that's what you're into, do subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any content. If you have dark spots down here like me, you can go all the way there, but I'm not doing all that because I was just trying to demonstrate to you guys. So make sure you cover your face and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. It's going to dry, and I know I look so funny right now, but we have to do what we gotta do. All right, so in the meantime, I just wanted to talk to you guys about the soap I use after this. So the soap that I'm using, I'm sorry I keep looking up because it's so distracting. So the soaps that I have here, in my last video I had a turmeric soap bar, which I used a melt and pour, shea butter melt and pour, and this is the bar that I had, right? So this is what you make sure you wash your face with, so you can use it before and you can use it after. If you have any other face wash, that's okay. If that's working for you, that's also okay. But I wanted to share with you guys specifically what I've been using and what I've noticed has been very beneficial to my own skincare. And then we're gonna later on talk about the skin moisturizers, and then there's also tea tree oil and how I use it, and it's been good, guys. So I have these two soaps. I've made a video on how to make this, and this is like the simplest soap you can make for beginners. And then I have this soap. This is like a cold process soap. I don't know why it's not focusing. So this is now a cold process soap, and you can also make this, and this is now the one you have to have sodium hydroxide. This is a melt and pour version with chamomile, and I spoke about the benefits of that. That's why you guys need to go check out that video. And then this one, we just have carrot puree, and we have turmeric, and then we're using all the good natural shea butters. What else is it? Palm oil. And it's just really good. So I'm going to share with you guys in a video like this. So I will have a video upload, I don't know when. I'm just trying to create as much content as I can for you guys, just to share this information. So after I have on this face mask, I will wash it off, and I follow up by using any of these soaps. Right now I've been using this type of soap. I have these on my shop in February. They'll be on my website, so in case you wanted to purchase from February 1st, they'll be uploaded on my website. Aftercare, because we've used lemon. Lemon is good for lightening dark spots, and so is turmeric, and it's been great for skincare. And you will notice that with time your skin will change, and if you actually are using this and following this, you should notice some changes at least within the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks onwards, if you're committed. And also, if you're not using a turmeric soap bar or whatever, you can use whatever works for you. I'm just trying to put out what has been working for me. I don't have the best skin yet, but we're out here to share all these things. So guys, I'm gonna end this video, and if you guys wanted to see how the skin ends, I mean, I'll have a video to show you guys how I do my own skincare routine. But I wanted to show you guys, this is how I apply it, literally just the parts that I needed. Oh, I guess the whole face. So anyways, thank you so much guys for tuning in, and thank you so much to all my old subscribers. I always appreciate you guys. I thank you so much for always staying connected on this channel. And if you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And next time I will show you how to make the soap, and then we'll have a whole video on how I do my skincare routine from start to finish. All right, so until next time, bye.